Perla Lichi, interior designer. People say my personality is bigger than life. That vent has to disappear. And I'm talking like mega disappear, baby. I will describe Perla Lichi design as unique and bold. I can't do boring, sorry. I've designed all over the world, from Dubai to Abu Dhabi to Africa, you name it. We have designed for celebrities, we have designed for sports figures, we have designed for royalty, whom I shall not disclose because you just cannot.
I can't do boring, no, not my scene.
So I'm in my office, and my fabulous, fabulous firstborn son, Adam, walks in.
Hey, Ma.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing? Those sticks that you requested, the structures that came in, the kids are here too. You want me to bring them in?
Yeah, where's my kids?
Yo, come on, go see your grandma.
Baby.
Get over here.
Say hello to Grandma.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What did you hear the G word? Excuse me?
Hello.
Hello?
Grandma, there is no Nana.
I heard the G word.
Grandmama, I'm sorry.
Grandmama.
Yeah, that's better.
No.
Well,
Hey.
what is this? Did you hear the grandma?
Grandma,
Do you see any grandmas here?
No.
What? Do you see any grandmas here?
Yeah.
Do you see any grandmas here? What is this calling me the G word? Huh? Really? The G word? Oh, no. You see a grandma here? I don't think so. Let's come and join the Nana land. Go away, Daddy. Those grandmas here. Go away, Daddy. There's no grandmas here. I'm Nana. I'm a Nana. Bye. Dale besito. Nana. Come have fun with me. What are you designing today? Next generation diva. Ooh, great color choice. What about you? What's your color, Dante? Yeah, of course you choose purple. That's my girl. There you go. You go ahead. Use tracing paper, okay? And Sharpies. That's how you do it, girly.
Cannonball.
Woo! Yes, there you go. Go ahead. Roll it up. Go ahead. Show me yourself, Dante. Oh, yeah. We got lots of those, baby.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at all the Sharpies we got. Woohoo! We got Sharpies. We got Sharpies. Go get your Sharpies. Yeah.
Sharpie.
We love those, right? But not on the white sofa. Only on paper. There you go ahead and design on. The next generation. Wow. Wow. I see what they're doing. They take that Sharpie. They know better. Forget about Sharpie. They do that in front of me because they know I love my Sharpie.
I'm gonna draw a house like you make houses.
You're gonna draw a house?
Yeah.
Go ahead, get it going. When it comes to design, when it comes to creativity, when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to everything. With the minds, with the creativity, with their knowledge, what they're doing now, can you imagine? Wow, let me see.
Exactly that.
So what is that?
These are stairs and that's a door and there's a nice old
So this is your floor plan? Let me see how you did that. What is the staircase?
Yeah, that's a stair. Then you can open it. So you see, oh, it's a step.
That's
It will be a
beautiful. So
nice
this
and
is
simple house.
nice and simple? You like simple style?
Yeah.
All right, so you're a minimalist. Minimalist, very nice. I like that. You know, we all got our own style, Dante. You could go with minimalism. Good job. Watching what goes on in this creative world that I'm showing them and what the family business is and with what's going on, oh, I can only see. Hey guys, you gonna finish your designs? Are you all done or you gonna go ahead and add color? Because you gotta live life in color, hello?
We're adding color.
You gotta have color. Grass. Oh, you're doing landscape design too? You know what? You go ahead and finish. I got other clients to see.
The house has to make some color.
Yeah, you do your coloration. I gotta go. Okay, take over.
These are windows.
You're in charge, okay? See ya. Gotta go.
Bye-bye.
Bye. And by the way, they are my grandkids. Yes! I'm not their grandma, I'm their nana. Hey, Adam! Adam, you got my sticks?
Yeah, I got him.
All right, good. I ordered these fabulous sticks for else. We want to hug the art. These kids, let them take over the business. That's it. Let them be creative. That's it. Oh my God, what is this?
This is the style from LA, man. This is...
What?
Everybody who's anybody uses this.
Anybody who's anybody. Who is this anybody who's anybody? You looking good, my dear, and I got those grandkids, and thank you for that. You sure know how to make hits, but the sticks gotta go. This is plastic, man. No, 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 no. You tell those stick people they don't know about sticks. This is outdoor sticks. This is for that project in Boca. Adam, send those back. We don't want plastic sticks, we want real wood. Tell them to take these sticks and do you know what with it. Out with those sticks. We need better sticks.
Yes, Mommy.
I love you.
Don't call me grandma or call me gran. Don't call me grandma because I am glam.
The next home is located in Delray Beach, Florida. And the client wanted a very simple yet elegant home. So here we are, another house. This is a custom built-in home in another city, totally different, very fresh, very unique, on the golf course. Now we are in this home that is totally modern, very light and fresh. And when I say that, it's everything is neutral. We went from color and ceilings and different levels. Now we're talking very open. Wait until you see how we divided the space. In this case, it's how you do the space planning of the furniture, how you're going to separate the spaces. Texturize the walls with slats. Slats are the newest things, but you don't have to just slat the whole wall. A lot of people are just slatting the wall. No. We're using it as trim. In this case, we connected the feature wall, which is the TV wall. Yes, that's a TV right there. The Monet connected and hugging the side wall. And then all of a sudden, we took a simple glass door with a cladding of the slats, texturizing. Now, very important, the jewelry. When I say jewelry, I'm talking about chandeliers. We all need jewelry. Always remember the proportion of your chandeliers must be the proportion of the high ceilings. The longer, the better. Because there is no wall separation, the trick here is the furniture and creating two separate conversation areas. Such a giant space. What do you do with such a giant space? You have to put a lot of furniture here. So you have to, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody looking at that gorgeous view. Everybody has to sit comfortably with a giant cocktail table. You know, space planning is important. When you're dealing with these gigantic warehouse, unique spaces, you have to make them comfortable. You have to plush them out. Oh my goodness. You have to be able to talk to all your friends when you're sitting in the same room. This family loves to entertain. So because of the size of the space, doing two separate conversation areas is smart. The length of this room is so huge. How are you gonna watch TV from 25 feet across? You have to sit with them, you have to sit with them, and you have to talk to them. My point being is, giant spaces mean everybody can watch TV at the same time. The heart of this home is the sit-down bar. This is, in this case, one of the main features, I'd say. Because wouldn't you want to sit here and have a drink? The ceiling, in this case, we kept it simple. Compared to all the other ceiling designs that I've shown you, why did we keep the ceiling simple here? Balance. The kidney shape of the bar, kind of like a jelly bean, is so inviting. A bar is designed with everything for entertainment in mind. Of course, display all the areas that you need for your favorite drink, right? Oh, look, I got a little stool here where I could sit and serve you all the good brands. Yes, we need all those good brands for the bar. Wine refrigerator. Oh my goodness, look at all the storage. We have all the amenities that we need to serve. Very important for a bar. This is all integrated into the same room. People always ask me about mirrors. And I'll say it again. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the greatest of them all? What are we reflecting here? Nothing but the most beautiful view. Always reflect the right thing. Dining table, enough for 10. A state-of-the-art kitchen being the heart of the home. All your appliances, again, state-of-the-art. And don't forget your jewelry. Do I do one pendant, two pendants, three pendants above the island? Well, it depends. Do you like odd numbers or even numbers? In this case, we thought 2 would be enough. The bigger the pendant, then just go with 2. If they were smaller, I probably would have gone with 3. But oversized, go with 2. It's all about connecting your design from one side to the other. That's the trick of good balanced design, like 360 degrees. Because this particular client loves to collect art, and they do certainly have the walls for it. Whether you go vertical with the art or horizontal, the slat wall design gives them the opportunity to hug their specialty pieces. Vertical art must go on vertical height walls. Example, high ceiling, high vertical art. But you know what? Not necessarily. You can also integrate horizontal art. Example here. We have 2 horizontal pieces. You have to think of the volume. Look at this volume. How are you going to put a piece of art in this high wall? So you have to always think of the size of the wall and make a statement out of it with architectural trim and columns. That's how we would do it, would we? And then yet connect it with the rest of the architecture, in this case, the TV wall, which is the main structure. Fireplaces. Fireplaces are hot. They are so hot. We must always consider them and always hug them with some interesting textures. In this case, we've used stainless steel lamination and yet incorporated them with another concrete style wallpaper. Very simple application in this case. Television looks like a piece of art, but always backlighting the wall with some LED. This is a very simple technique to take a giant wall and lighting it up. Very simple, but yet very effective, as you can see, because when you're dealing with these large volume spaces, how do you apply these textures of layer and layer and layer applied onto the architectural walls? So anytime you place 2 mirrors opposite each other, you know you get the infinity effect. Imagine taking 2 round mirrors with LED lights around it. You get that spiral effect, like you go on forever and ever. Infinite. Anytime you put mirror against mirror, you will get the illusion of infinity. Well, for sure you can see what the back of your hair looks like on this one. Anytime you do mirror against mirror, you get the illusion of infinity. Infinity! For sure, I can see the back of my hair from every angle. Woo!
Trends are waves, they come and go, but legacy, that's what we call.
A 3-year project, and it was totally custom designed by my team and built by my team. This took detailing. This took a lot of time to prepare.
Classic design don't need to shout. It whispers elegance inside and out. It's not about what's hot right now. It's about how you make
it. Started out with tracing paper and a Sharpie. Yes, tracing paper and a Sharpie. I had the concept.
This luxury, baby, that's designed so fine. That's the magic that stands the test of time.
Romeo and Juliet. Let me tell you about this magnificent landmark. And when I'm saying landmark, is because this is timeless elegance, and it will be a landmark. What you're about to see is history. It's historical landmarks at its best. Here we are, the palace. Centuries of history all inside that magnificent landmark estate home right here in South Florida. You would never imagine how many details you're going to find once we walk through those gates. Z, well, it's the last letter of the alphabet, but the first to have the most magnificent, interesting, unique Byzantine floor, medallions, hand-painted fresco. Michelangelo, hello! OMG, you've seen it only on the drawings and paper. Oh yeah, directly on the ceiling, no canvas here. And then that railing, Romeo and Juliet going up 28 feet up in the air with a triple dome. We're gonna walk through those gates, and history, 300 years, eclectic, 300 years. Well, you know I'm a Renaissance woman. We're gonna show you the Renaissance style and more through those gates. Follow me now. It's classic, luxury, palatial detailing design in the Western Hemisphere. It is a compilation of centuries and centuries of luxury, classic elegance. Check out this broad iron. This is only a little teaser of what's going on in there, because the railing in that staircase, a lot of lineal feet leading you up to the second floor, and it's going to hug you as you walk in through that rotunda. But then when you walk through that bridge on the second floor, you look down into that magnificent living room, up and down, because you're talking volume. Even the palaces in Europe didn't have such volume. We got volume here. Not talking volume like in the speakers, talking volume. Architectural details, you're gonna see it here with state of the art. OMG. Michelangelo, if you would be here now, you'd be so impressed. Ay, let's go. Let me ring that bell. Wait, did I mention state of the art? They didn't have this in the palace. Let's check this out. Your designer's back.
I can't do both.